Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the working of single plate clutch. Okay. So here is the diagram, which consists of flywheel, pressure plate, clutch plate with friction lining, clutch pedal, thrust and ball bearings, and clutch spring. It has only one clutch plate mounted on hub, which is plain internally and free to slide over the clutch shaft. Flywheel is mounted on crankshaft and rotate with it. The pressure plate is fixed to flywheel through the clutch spring by means of bolts. Spring arranged to provide axial force on pressure plate to keep the clutch in engaged position. The friction plate held between flywheel and pressure plate, having friction on both the sides to provide two annular friction surface for power transmission. Now you see the working. Here when the clutch pedal is pressed, the pressure plate is moved to right against the spring force, and this is achieved by means of suitable linkage and thrust bearing. Due to this movement of pressure plate, the friction plate is released and clutch is disengaged. And when pedal is released, the pressure plate moves to left and thus clutch is again engaged. Now you see the advantages. Here gear changing is easier than cone clutch because the pedal movement is less. It is more reliable because it does not suffer from disadvantage of blending of cone. Now I see the disadvantage. Here the spring have more stiff, hence greater force required by the driver to disengage. Now I see the application. This type of clutch is used in four-wheelers like truck, jeep,